Well, you fought real good out there, Tychus. Your time in the freezer didn't dull your edge none.
Well, fear and violence always did bring out the best in me.
Have to admit, we always did make a good team.
Yeah. Well, that was until I went to prison and you went legit.
Right. So how does the Odin rate as a fighting machine?
Brother, it is the single greatest creation in the history of mankind. Striding around and dispensing righteous fury just about brought a tear to my eye. You just let me know when I can take it out for another spin.
You'll get your chance soon enough, old buddy. Don't you worry.
Ever wonder why Mengsk don't just send him ghosts to kill ya? You've been a thorn in his side for a long time.
Assassinating me just turned me into a martyr. He'd never be rid of me then. He needs to kill my reputation first.
Very good. You think clearly despite your hate for him. Of course his patience has got limits too. Tread careful, Mr. Raynor. Someone on this ship is already working for Mengsk. I can feel it.
This is Kate Lockwell reporting from UNN headquarters on Core Hall. Let's go to Donnie Vermillion on special assignment.
Kate, I'm very pleased to be talking to General Horace Warfield. General, I understand that Dominion forces will soon be showing off their newest weapon, the Odin war machine.
That's correct, Donnie. We'll show the Odin on the streets of Core Hall itself, with full coverage from your fine network.
General, Kate Lockwell here. I've heard rumblings about some sort of logistics trouble with the Odin's debut.
Now, Kate...
It's true, Kate. The Odin was delayed in shipping, and we briefly lost communication with the production facility. But it arrived safely, so we can go ahead with the unveiling.
You heard it here first. The Dominion unveiling new weapons of destruction on the streets of Core Hall.
What is wrong with that woman? Tell her not to interrupt my interviews!
Your boy Horner is actually pulling this off. Gotta say, I'm mighty impressed.
So Swan, what are the chances we can build something like that Odin?
You nuts? No way we've got the facilities for mass-producing hardware on that scale.
And here I was thinking you could build anything, Swan.
Cute. All right, forget the scale. I'm gonna figure it out, don't you worry. And I'll come up with something a damn sight more practical than that showpiece. You see if I don't.
Sir, when Tychus came back aboard the ship, I had the techs run a scan on him.
Matt, you need to get a hobby.
Seriously, sir. His suit contains a sophisticated transponder. If it receives the correct code, it'll shut down all his major organs. That suit is a death trap.
He's got a gun to his head.
And who's got their finger on the trigger? Mobius?
Tychus, what have you gotten yourself into?
We have the Odin. Now we can use it to spearhead our takeover of the UNN Studios on Core Hall. Once the Odin has taken out their defenses, we'll broadcast our evidence against Mengsk. Figure they'll throw everything they have at us. They'll be talking about this one for years.
Our raid on the Valhalla facility hasn't even been reported yet. The Dominion have no idea we stole the Odin. I had to call in every favor I had, but I got the Odin on the surface with Tychus inside.
Matt, you're a miracle worker. Must have been a complicated operation.
You don't even want to know, sir. I'm not gonna let anything keep us from exposing Mengsk.
So they're still expecting to film it at the UNN Studios later today?
That's right. And we won't disappoint them. Seeing as he's the only one with experience, Tychus will pilot the Odin and hit the studio guards with a surprise attack. They'll be confused for several minutes, and won't even know who to attack at first.
And during the confusion, we'll establish a forward base using this command center we acquired earlier. Pretty devious, Matt. I like it.
If Tychus can inflict enough damage during the sneak attack, making the broadcast should be relatively easy. Keep in mind, we'll only have a few minutes before the Dominion realize that Tychus is in the Odin. Once they figure it out, they'll use everything they've got to stop us.
Whatever happens, we'll be giving Mengsk one hell of a broadcast. Let's do this.
I'm in the Dominion security network, bringing up their locations now.
All right, Tychus, do your thing.
Thought you'd never ask.
Odin has gone rogue. Repeat, Odin has gone rogue. Bring it down!
Attention, rogue pilot. This is General Warfield of Dominion Command. You're ordered to stand down or face immediate termination.
Like it.
This'll get her.
Behold the Dominion's newest weapon of war.
For the big dog. Heavy duty.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
I like it.
Rogue Odin's manner.
This will get it done. Heavy duty. Make room for the big dog.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
Heavy duty.
I like it.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
This'll get her done.
I like it.
Make room for the big dog.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
This will get it done. Make room for the big dog. Heavy duty.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
Make room for the big dog. Heavy duty.
Train her now. Engaging rogue Odin.
This'll get her done. I like it.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
I like it. This'll get her done. I like it.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
Make room for the big dog. Heavy duty. Make room for the big dog.
Rag.
An alert's gone out. Won't be long before they shut me out of their system.
Don't rush me, kid. Can a man take some pleasure in his work?
Done.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
I like it. This'll get it done. I like it.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
Make room for the big dog. This'll get her done. Make room for the big dog.
We're almost out of time.
So are these guys. Don't sweat it.
Room for the big dog. Heavy duty.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
This'll get her done. Heavy duty.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
The Dominion switched to a secure channel. I can't track their positions anymore. But I have gained access to the UNN network. We'll need troops to stay close to one of the broadcast towers long enough to get our message out. For our broadcast to reach all of Dominion space, we'll need to control each broadcast tower long enough to upload the data. Any unit type can maintain control.
You can bet Max will have something to say about that. Let's get moving.
Let's see what
Bad news?
Our base is up and running. I'm transferring control of it to you now, sir.
Not enough minerals.
if I
SCV ready.
Can I keep it?
Hardware inbound. These stores are smaller than the Odin, but they handle better and they still hit hard. Enjoy.
That big dog is all mine.
SCV ready. Been waiting.
Let's see what this... If...
Four is here.
I like it.
SCV ready.
Let's see what this baby's got.
Yeah, ready. Come and fight me.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
Make room for the big dog. Heavy duty.
SCV ready.
The doctor is in.
This'll get...
Yeah, come and fight me. SCV ready.
I like it.
I am heavy metal.
Let's see what this baby... Let's see what this baby's got.
SCV ready.
Heavy duty.
In the rear with the gear.
This better be good.
Big job, huh?
SCV ready. Go ahead.
Ah! You scared me!
SCV ready.
This baby's got it.
Bad news?
It followed me home.
SCV ready.
Tenfold.
This mighty steel giant stands as a testimony to the skill and determination of our Dominion engineers and scientists.
Complete.
Hope this thing's insured. It followed me home. Oh, boy.
SCV ready.
Let's see what this baby's got. It followed me home. Can I keep it? Let's see what the...
Additional supply depots required.
This better be good. It followed me home. Can I keep it? I like it.
SCV ready.
Heavy duty. This'll get her done.
Go ahead.
Hope this thing's insured.
Coming through.
Not enough.
SCV ready.
Not enough minerals.
Armed and ready.
It followed me home. Can I keep it?
Additional supply depots required.
Woohoo! Overtime.
Let's see what this baby's got. Make room for the big dog.
In the rear. Boy, it's here.
Strike Team Charlie, get to that tower. Bring down those rebels.
Let's see what this... It followed.
Huh? Gotcha. SCV ready.
Hope this thing's insured.
Fix me up, will ya?
Let's see what this baby's got. This'll...
Insufficient.
SCV ready.
It followed me home. Let's see what this baby's got.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
Heavy duty.
I am here.
Let's see what this baby's got. It followed me home. Can I keep it?
Boy.
Upgrade complete.
Let's see.
First transmission uploaded. Even Mengsk won't be able to wriggle out of this one.
Incoming transmission.
There's only one man arrogant enough to think he can get away with this. Raynor.
Ha! Just for once, Arcturus, this really is all about you. I hope you enjoy our show.
I knew it. Warfield, get your men down there. I want Raynor's head, you understand? Him and all his terrorist friends.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
Insufficient Vespene gas. Insufficient Vespene gas.
What's going on? Sure thing.
Let's see what this baby's got.
I am heavy metal.
Make room for the...
I am here.
Let's see what this
Base
baby's
is under
got.
attack.
You gonna give me orders? Big job, huh?
Insufficient Vespene gas.
It followed me home. Can I keep it? This'll get her done.
Huh?
Let's... It followed me home. Can I keep it?
Fueled up, ready to go. Speak up.
Let's see what this baby's got.
Bad news? Woo-hoo! Overtime! We hear you.
Followed me home. Can I keep it?
They're attacking a tower. Strike Team Bravo. Take them out.
In the rear with the gear. Well, butter my business.
Let's see what this baby's...
Heavy metal.
It followed me home. Can I keep it?
Feel the thunder.
We're almost done transmitting Mengsk's dirty little secret to the Dominion.
Upgrade complete.
I like it.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
This'll get her done. Heavy duty.
I'm wasting away here.
Make room for the big dog.
Human tenacity and ingenuity have come together to forge the final answer to the Zerg threat.
It's gone crazy! Run!
Is here.
It followed me home. Can I keep it? I like it.
Ragnar, rock and roll.
Heavy duty. This'll get her done. Make room for the big dog.
In the rear with the gear. We hear ya.
Let's see what this baby's got.
Yeah, come and fight me.
Our SCVs are under attack.
Big job, huh? Ah, hear me! Go ahead.
You followed me.
Our SCVs are under attack.
Bad news. I'm wasting away.
Security breach at one of the towers. Strike Team Alpha, engage. Stop them.
Let's see what this baby's got.
Mineral field depleted.
That's the last one. Let's see what the people will think of their beloved Emperor now.
All transmissions have been sent, sir. Every world in the Dominion just got a UNN special bulletin about Mengsk.